welcome to the NextGen Leadership Podcast, where we dive into the world of leadership, innovation, and personal growth. I am your host, Vikram Choudhary, founder, Operant Pharmacy Federation, and I am thrilled to embark on the journey with you. In this podcast, we will be explore evolving landscape of leadership, hear from inspiring guests, and share actionable insights that will empower you on the lead with the impact. So, where you are on the season with leaders or just starting your leadership journey, this podcast is your guide to next generation of the leadership. Our intention is to make it more easier for coming generation to make it future of India, and most important the talk about the human behind the successful empires. Many more interviews coming soon with startup founders, leaders to inspire the next generation. Thanks to OPF, make sure stay tuned all our coming episodes. Lot of the cool stuff coming up as we navigate the challenges and opportunities of 21st century. Leadership is evolving the no longer and about the hierarchy and authority. Next gen leaders are the adaptable and open minded to focus and collaborations. They are driven by the purpose of the leadership and dedicated to the creating positive impact on the society and extended beyond the immediate circles. Let's get started. This is one of the first ever business leadership episode you will be enjoying, and this is with Dr. Rupali Paranjape. She is the founder, Blue Ocean Compliance. She is a leader. She is an author. She is TEDx speaker, and she is also a mother. She is wife, and but not a least, she is an entrepreneur. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Dr. Rupali Paranjape, founder Blue Ocean Compliances, Vadodara, Gujarat, giving your first one podcast to yours truly fun and having the lot of learning there. After the watch it first time, you make sure what an entrepreneur life mindset and why it's crucial in today's rapidly growing changing world. Rupali ma'am, how are you?
I'm on the top of the world and I'm great. By the way, first of all, I would like to thank you for inviting me in Next Gen Leaders by OPF and giving me opportunity to share my experience. If anyone who is watching our show will be inspired to do something his or her life, so it nothing like that. So I'm really happy about this opportunity you have given me. Thank you so
Absolutely,
much.
definitely they will be love it. I am very much excited about the particular conversations.
Yeah, I'm also excited, and I believe strongly believe that our whoever is watching our show is really going to learn something and going to take something with him or her, which is helping them to grow in their life.
Yes, definitely. I am excited to having the conversation with you. I have often see you on the lot of the platforms in the training programs. So you are giving a lot of the things. So how do you managing the all?
Yeah, you are absolutely right that in the same time I'm playing multiple roles. The same time I'm playing the role of the mother, wife, and the same time as an entrepreneur, I'm helping pharmaceutical industries to reduce the cost due to non-compliances and helping them to qualify the regulatory inspections and giving the trainings also. So and not only that, but I'm also, as you told, that I'm also the best-selling author of my book Blue Ocean of Compliance, and it is really helping people a lot. It is going worldwide, means Germany, France, UK, US, all around the world people are reading it and getting it benefited. So I'm trying to balance all the things, and whenever I do anything, so I focused on that. Means whenever I'm at home and I set the priorities that I should take care of my family, and whenever I am on the project, so I fully focused on that thing. When Likewise, when I was writing my book, so I was fully focused on writing the book. Even I was not I haven't accepted any project at that time also.
All right.
So whenever I take anything, so I focus my all energy completing that task, that how best I can contribute in that.
True, true.
So the same principle I am applying everywhere.
Hmm.
So one thing at a time I am doing, but similarly multiple things.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
I heard you are a good author.
Yeah.
So you have written the many books. So can you tell me more about your books, your authorship journey?
Yeah. Actually, when I have total 22 years of experience working in the pharmaceutical industry in every department. Means I started my journey in pharmaceutical industry in 2002 with QC. So I worked in QC. After that, I was transferred to the stability department, and after that, I was transferred to the analytical development laboratory, and I worked there for 5-6 years. And after that, in regulatory affairs department, and after that, finally I came into the world of compliance. So I have seen the life of people so closely, all life of pharmaceutical professionals, that at the time of audit they are so stressful, and if we speak about the audit, so they are the business opportunities.
Yes.
If the audit fails, so company get warning letter, so all the business is on the stake. That to come out of that warning letter, it takes $1 billion.
Yes.
People lose the jobs, and it is impacting a lot to the person who is having that business.
Yes.
And also it is impacting the life of the people who are working in that company. They lose their jobs, so that fear is there in people's mind. So I thought that whether I can found something, whether I can found one simple way which will help the pharma professionals and entrepreneurs, and who are having their own pharmaceutical industry, and all pharma professionals, quality professionals, regulatory professionals, that will help them to live the life with happily and with abundance and fulfillment. So I thought of writing the book. So that time this idea came in my mind, said I should write a book. And I have written this book, Blue Ocean of Compliance.
Yes.
Means Blue Ocean of Compliance is the thought process which believes that we have to work to win in the audit. Means the people who will follow that Blue Ocean Compliance thought process, they work to win, not win in the audit and not to lose in the audit. So even by performing, they will make target to qualify the regulatory inspection with 0483. And let me share with you that my clients have got these results. One case studies I am having, the API manufacturing companies that is in Gujarat. So they have qualified EDQM with no observation.
All
Means with no critical or no major observation.
Wow.
And another case studies I am having, that OSD formulation in Maharashtra. So they have qualified the regulatory inspection, means US FDA with 0483. So, and when I was working I was heading the compliance department. So my company also at that time qualified the regulatory inspection with 0483. This is the thought process that is giving the result. Even with thought process, people start thinking differently. They start behaving differently. So all those many experiences, not everything, but at least 25% of the things I have written in the book. So if anyone will read this book, his thought process will change, the mindset will change, and it is really going to help them to qualify the regulatory inspection effortlessly and very easily, and with zero observation and without any stress. So that is the thought process. It is
Yeah,
written
true,
in this
true.
book.
So let's gear the change.
Yeah.
So are you happy with the life?
Yeah, I'm very happy. In fact, I'm living the life of my dreams today. Life is suddenly changed.
Yeah.
It is not like everything is good is happening, but yes, I'm enjoying this journey.
So what is the best and worst thing of your life?
Really tell you, there are many best things have happened in my life. I have so lovely family. I have two daughters, so I am blessed that I am a mother of two loving daughters, and my husband is also cooperative and he
Yeah.
is supportive.
True.
And any many things that I have got the opportunities, means I have got opportunity to study, that there may be many women
Yeah.
who are not getting opportunity to study.
Yes, truly
Means
said.
before marriage I completed my MSc. After
Mhm.
that, means after marriage I have done many educational qualification.
Wow.
Means my PhD also I did after my marriage.
Yeah.
And postgraduate diploma in regulatory affairs, postgraduate diploma in intellectual property rights. So all these studies I have done after my marriage, so that is one blessing, that is a good thing. And another thing, that I have written the book, and it has become, I never thought that my book will become so popular, and it is giving the result. Even people gift this book while they are leaving the organization, and people gift the book to their friends.
Oh.
And it is going impact. I never thought that this book will create so much impact.
Sure.
So this is thing. And after that, TEDx speech was also there.
Yes.
Means that opportunity also I got.
Mhm.
So everything is happening like I am in the dreams.
Yes.
So those are the good things.
Mhm.
But regarding, there are many challenges I am facing. It is not like that everything acha ho raha hai.
Yes, correct.
So but I have the mindset that the good things give you happiness, success, but the bad things or worse things are life. They mold you, they expand your ability.
Yes.
They help us to break the boundaries. They help us to break our limitations.
And
So
they're giving a lot of learning.
yeah. So whatever bad things, what bad experience with the people, they are our teachers, you know, because we learn something from everything.
Yes, true.
And the secret I am telling you, that whatever I am today, it is because of the worst experiences in my life.
Yes.
So I would really, whatever bad happening, I have ability to convert whatever problem will come, I convert into the blessing. I keep converting all the problems and worst things of my life into the blessings. And today's life I am living is the result of all those things. So nothing is worst in this life, everything is good.
Yeah, everything is
That
good.
is my thought process.
Yeah. So do you belong to the business family?
No, really not. My father is also was working in means ordnance factory. Means he was in government job. So
All.
I am not having any business background.
Huh.
So
So how do you begin the entrepreneurial journey?
actually, from starting of my childhood, even I remember the days when I was in class 5th also, I wanted to do something great in my life. After marriage, means few years I was working as a newsreader and anchor before my marriage. And after my marriage, my journey in pharma industry was started. And since last 22 years, I am working in the pharmaceutical industry. And I worked very religiously and passionately in this industry. But I was searching that what I want to do in my life, what I want to achieve in my life. I was searching the things that before I die, I do something great. So I was looking for something, and I was not finding those things. Once even I thought that I will leave the pharma industry, means I will do something else, because I am not getting what I want to do. So after that, I thought and did the brainstorming. So I thought that the life of a pharma professional, we are itself working to save the life of people, because whatever medicines we are manufacturing, because of that medicines, many people's lives are saved, so they are healed. So we are already serving to the society. We think that we are doing the business, or we are doing the job to run our family, to get the money. But the actual cause is that any pharma professional is working to save the life of the people.
Yes, true.
So that one thought inspired me to start whatever I'm doing. That is the purpose of that. That I should inspire pharma professionals, inspire pharmaceutical industries, that they are working to save the life of people.
Yes.
And it is obviously it is the reason of the growth of our country also, because in India, in the world, we play a major role in manufacturing the API
Yes.
and pharmacy means and
Formulations.
formulations. So all these things inspire me to start the journey in this business.
As you are the startup founder,
Yeah.
so your company Blue Ocean Compliances, what USP is having to be reach the company on the with your leadership on the next generation?
Yeah. So actually, the speciality of Blue Ocean Compliance is that we work on the thought process of the people. We change the mindset of the people. So I would share a few examples that I have given the training to one or two batches in one. Means I keep on giving the training, but this specific examples I would like to share and love to share that when I given the training, so their thought process is changed, their angle of life means how they see themselves, how they see their work, it is totally changed. People started opening, they started sharing themselves with the management, that what are the issues, what are the problems, means their thought process is changed, means the mindset is changed from not to lose to win in the audit.
All
Yeah. And we build the quality culture. Whatever activities I'm doing, the way I'm working, it is helping to develop the quality culture in the organization. And what we do that we work with the customized strategy. For example, if for one company is there, so I study the problem in that company, and based on that I design the strategy for that particular company. For example, the person is having the headache, so we cannot give them medicine of stomach pain. So likewise, I analyze every industry, means whatever pharmaceutical industry or company I'm working, I analyze the gaps on their sides. I find the what problems they are facing. Based on that, I design the strategy. If people are if the company are having the problem of quality culture, so my all strategies will be to develop the positive quality culture on that side.
yes.
If the company is behind that people are not properly trained, so I focus my energy to training and developing and grooming the people. If the company is not having the technical knowledge or that level,
Yeah.
so I groom that company with that strategy. So for different company, I make the different strategy.
Yes.
And obviously, the way I am working, it is impacting people to a in depth. So their thought process becomes very positive and very beneficial for the organizations.
Yes.
So when I start working, so the environment start changing,
Yes.
and this has given the wonderful result to the companies also. Means my clients have got the 0483.
Yeah,
So
absolutely. It is the great
so I
achievement
would
for your
keep on
company.
repeating.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
As you are a mother,
yeah,
as you are a daughter, as you are a
yeah.
wife,
Yeah.
and so as a woman startup founder, so what the challenges you are facing, and sometimes you are having the external audit. So
Yeah,
how
yeah.
do you managing all those things at a time?
Yeah. I remember. Just you called me yesterday. I told ki my both cook are not there, Vikram,
Yes,
and
yeah.
I'm how should I manage, and I have to go out.
Yeah, many critical
Yeah.
things you have to be faced. So how do you managing all those things along with your professional journey?
Obviously, if a woman is become successful, so family support is necessary, and my family is supporting me a lot.
Yes.
Because whenever I do audit, most of the time, as you told, ki I am keep on traveling. Today also I am here.
Yes.
So yeah, my auditing profile is like that. That one week or 15 days I am out of home, and continuously my calendars are blocked.
Yes.
So yes, my daughters, my husband, they are very supportive. and the burning desire to do something before I die, that continuously keep inspiring me,
Exactly.
that give me the fuel. And the thing that I should do something for the patient.
True.
Being a pharma professionals means you are also pharma
Yes,
professional.
yes,
We
true.
all are working to
Working
save the
for the
life of
supply.
patient. So that inspires me. Means I'm auditor. My purpose is technical. Means we have to deliver our task technically.
Yes, to ensure
But
the quality.
yeah, to ensure the quality of the product. So technically we do, but this is the main inspiration to do something. Make me efficient की आ जाती है energy कहीं
Yes,
से.
yeah.
तो
So, your company Blue Ocean Compliances, what services you do provide to the pharmaceutical industries?
as a blue ocean of compliance, we have different services. Like I have told that we are helping to qualify the regulatory inspection, means European regulatory inspection, US regulatory inspection, and in my book I have elaborated all with respect to the US market. So to first thing, that auditing and gap assessment, with that I am helping my clients. Another thing with my training services, not only technically I am training, but I am also working on the thought process, and personally also I am helping pharma professionals what challenges
Yes.
they are facing in that auditing training. And in this way I am helping companies, and also if the new companies are there, so in greenfield projects also I'm supporting. So it is quality compliance related, whatever things are there, if they are facing any challenges.
So, what is your experience with the regulatory inspections with the different agencies?
Regulatory agencies means I have faced many regulatory inspections directly.
Yeah.
Means I interacted with the auditors. So
Mhm.
what agencies are expecting, that they come to ensure that
Yes.
the companies are manufacturing the good quality of the product. So their purpose is one only, that
Yes.
whatever, because they are paying money
Yes.
and they are buying the medicine for their country.
Having the best quality.
Yeah, so they should get the good medicines.
Yes.
So their focus is to check that whether there should not be any integrity.
Integration and having the best to best quality for their country.
Yeah. So the regulatory inspectors check the genuinity of the
Yes.
and honesty of the organization.
Mhm.
Means there are right, that there are different guidelines. Like US FDA will be inclined towards US FDA guidelines. European will check with respect to the European
The
guidelines. TGA will check their guidelines. So different regulatory agencies are there, and they perform the audit with respect to their guidelines, with respect to their requirements.
So, ma'am, what is your experience with the inspections or regulatory inspections of the different agencies?
Yeah. Actually, why I would like to share with you that regarding different agencies, why they are coming for the audit, because they want to buy the product from that particular organization or company. So they ensure that the people should get the good quality of the medicine.
Yes, optimized quality of the product.
Yeah, and there should not be any data integrity.
Yes.
Yeah, so they expect us to give them the good quality of the medicines, and the same thing they verify here. Means they ensure that there should not be any data integrity, there should adulterated medicines should not be given to them.
Yes.
So to ensure them, they perform the audit with respect to the guidance of their country. For example, if US FDA will come, so they will inspect the site with respect to the US FDA guidances, with respect to the 21 CFR 211210. So if European authority will come, so they will inspect the site with respect to the European guidelines. So their way of working is slightly different things. And at that time, the people who are facing the inspection, I would like to give them message that there should not be scarcity, and they
Yes.
should, because of that also a lot of mistakes people are doing. Even
Yeah,
they are
during
following
under pressures, they
Yeah,
not
yeah.
able to complete the documentations and
means they are even after following also, due to the fear, they are not able to articulate properly in presence of the regulatory inspectors. So different agencies are performing the audit with respect to their guidances, and the company should ensure that they should follow the compliance in their day-to-day activities.
Yes.
They should not prepare at the time of audit. Means
That
they
is the good thing. They have to
yeah.
be maintain the documentation day to day,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
wait for the end of the
Yes, they should not
year
wait
and
till
waiting for the audit.
yeah. They
Yeah.
should not wait till the audit comes. Means they should ready to be inspected